my everyday carry. I carry this kit every day in my bag to go to work and also to other purpose while I driving motorcycle or car. I carry this kit for emergency case or in case in case of something extraordinary, even like flood, even while I driving in the night, I carry this in my bag or in my vehicle. I have this kit. I collect them from many sources and buy from many online shop. I will show you the content of my kit. This is the content of my kit. I show you that you learn from it, or you may know how to prepare a kit for survival. The first is knife. This folding knife has many functions to cut or to defend yourself when while you are attacked by someone at the night. And then also for defense, I have pepper spray to spray the enemy, the attacker. So I spray in the nose, in the face, so he turn back and he will turn away from us. Other content is medicine, like this for the first aid, alcohol swab for the wound or injured. We have alcohol swab. The use is very practical. Only you open the sachet and you apply to the wound. I also have another striker for making fire. You will need fire to make when you camp at the woods or at the forest or even the jungle. Also to make fire so the wild animal will not attack or come near your camp. This is very important to make fire. I have tinder. I carry this duct tape. Duct tape is very useful for something to attach or also to make it as a tinder. It is burn easily. to make a fire when everything is wet. You need a dry tinder to make fire. This is multi-tool, one tool with many functions. You have pliers, you have also screwdrivers, we have the cutter. So this multi-tool is very needed when you experience an emergency, maybe with your vehicle, maybe with something you want to repair. Also compass, and then nail cutter. You will need this. Besides cutting nail, it is also can use for other function, such as to cut wire, to cut rope, and the small one I have a paper clip for something, to hang something, or to maybe you have to open the lock. You can use this paper clip. This paper clip is also called as MacGyver clip. It has many functions in the hand of skillful person. Okay, and then this is the ear cleaner. You can clean your ear, but also you can use it to other purpose. The last one. This is the spoon and the fork in one tool. It is very practical to use for food, to have meal. But other purpose, you can use this for defense, and for defense yourself when you are attacked by enemy or attacker. So this is the last one. I have show you my everyday carry. Every day I carry this while I take on the bus and also on the train. The busway. As the busway sometimes have the trouble on the road, and they stop very long. Sometimes even the busway caught in fire. So I must prepare to help myself, to help others. I have shown you this kit. Hope it is useful. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and give your comment below so I can make another videos for you.